So do you need to write a cover letter to apply for a job? In most cases, the answer is yes. Your cover letter may make the difference between obtaining a job interview or having your resume ignored. So it makes good sense to devote the necessary time and effort to writing effective cover letters. A cover letter is sent to provide additional information on your skills, experiences, strengths. So don't simply repeat what's on your resume. Rather, include specific information on why you are a strong match for the position and the employer's requirements. Think about your cover letter as a sales pitch, as a marketer of yours that will help you get the interview. There are three general types of cover letters: the application letter, which responds to a known job opening, the prospecting letter, which inquires about a possible position, and the networking letter, which requests information and assistance in your job search. A cover letter should complement, not duplicate, your resume. Its purpose is to interpret the data-oriented, factual resume and add a personal touch to your application for employment. Effective cover letters explain the reasons for your interest in a specific organization and identify your most relevant skills and experiences. Determine relevance by carefully reading the job description, evaluating the skills required, and matching them to your own skills. One format that I've always liked is called the T format cover letter. And the main components of your cover letter don't really change that much. The first section introduces you and then talks about why you're interested in the job and the company. This is your chance to demonstrate that you've done your homework and know something about the company and industry. And the middle section shows why you're qualified to do this particular job. How does your experience and skills meet the must-haves and the core requirements of the position? And the last section closes the note and shows your enthusiasm and creates sort of a call to action. And the T format comes into play in the middle section of your cover letter. It is designed to show a recruiter how you stack up against the job requirements quickly and clearly. Write a T cover letter. Make 2 columns for the middle section of your cover letter. The left column is your needs and the right column is my qualifications. Go through the job description and pick out what you think are the must-haves of the job. And remember that a job description will have a long laundry list of ideal and nice-to-have skills, and your job is to choose the top 3 to 4 requirements that match your experience best. And if you're trying to make a career transition and have to get a little creative by choosing a requirement that doesn't seem as high priority, so be it. These requirements will become the mini sections under the Your Needs section. And now it's time to write a little blurb for each of the requirements in the My Qualifications part. Try to reference examples of your work that demonstrate how you meet each of the hiring manager's primary needs. One thing that is very important is not to write too much. Keep your letter focused, concise, and communicate your story in a very few paragraphs. It is important to convey just enough information to entice the hiring manager to contact you. If you write too much, it's probably not going to get read. Take a look at the sample cover letter at our website, gothired.net, and get a better sense of what this format would look like. And I'm also sharing the T cover letter download link in the notes to this video. As always, we welcome your comments and questions. See you next time.